Black open pumps, the ultimate in luxury fashion and lifestyle. Luxury in every step. Crafted from premium materials like high-shine patent leather, soft suede, or smooth calfskin, black open pumps exude class. Their minimal design makes a bold statement. Sleek lines, open fronts, and sculpted heels create a silhouette that's as powerful as it is feminine. Luxury isn't just about appearance, it's about how it feels. A truly high-end pair of pumps offers balanced heel height, cushioned soles, and meticulous construction, making them as comfortable as they are striking. Why black open pumps are a must. Black is the ultimate neutral. It pairs with everything, making black open pumps a go-to choice for fashion lovers, stylists, and celebrities alike. The open design adds a sensual edge, allowing for breathability, visual lightness, and a subtle peak of skin, perfect for spring and summer events or stylish evenings out. How to style black open pumps.